Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. If you've ever struggled with setting stop losses or understanding market volatility, then you need to master the ATR indicator. Okay, in this video, I'm just going to break down what the ATR is, how it works, and how you can use it to make smarter trading decisions. Okay, so I'm going to add the ATR indicator to the chart right away. All right. Okay, so this is the ATR indicator. All right, so stick around because by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to apply ATR to your strategy. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any future trading tips. Okay, so what is the ATR indicator? Now let's just start with the basics. Right, let us start with the basics. Now the ATR stands for average true range. All right, and it is a volatility indicator developed by J. Wallace Wilder. Now, it doesn't tell you the direction of the market, but instead measures how much an asset typically moves within a given period. So, in simple terms, ATR helps you understand how volatile the market is. All right, a higher ATR value means the market is experiencing high volatility. All right, while a lower ATR value means the market is moving in a smaller range. Now, this information is crucial because it helps traders adjust their strategies based on current market conditions. All right, so how do traders use ATR? Now, the ATR value fluctuates based on price movement. When the market is highly active, ATR increases. You can see when we have high volatility, high activity, you will notice that the ATR value is going to increase, right? Then when volatility is low, the ATR decreases. So what does this mean for your trading? Now, in trending markets, if ATR is rising, it means that volatility is increasing, okay? This can indicate a strong trend forming, whether it is bullish or bearish. Now, this is a bullish trend, and we can see a rising ATR. Let us look for a bearish trend with a rising ATR as well. You can see this is a bearish trend and also had a rising ATR, showing that there was increase in volatility. Now, in terms of a sideways market, let us look for a sideways market, right? Okay, we can see this is a sideways market. We have a sideways market around here. So in a sideways market, if the ATR is low, it means that the market is consolidating, and you can see that's exactly what we had happening here, right? Which often leads to a breakout. So watching ATR can help you prepare for big price moves. Okay, you can see that how the ATR remained low around these points, and then finally we had a breakout. We had a breakout to the downside. Okay, remember that the ATR does not show you the direction of price movement. What it shows you is volatility, increase and decrease, right? So you can see we had a breakout to the downside, and the rising ATR value showed that there was actually an increase in volatility. Okay, and you can even see we even had a gap. We even had a gap formation around here after the breakout happened. Now, understanding volatility is key to adapting your strategy in different market conditions. Now, one of the best uses of ATR is setting stop losses. Okay, many traders make the mistake of placing stops too tight, getting stopped out before the market moves in their favor. So ATR can help prevent that, and here's how. The first is using ATR based stop loss. Okay, a common strategy is to set your stop loss at 1.5x or 2x the ATR value. All right, now this ensures your stop is placed outside normal price fluctuations. Then you can also use the ATR for adjusting volatility, right? If the ATR is high, your stop should be wider. When you have a ATR, a high ATR value, of course, you should give the market some breathing space, because that increase in volatility means that your stops could get hit, and then you might have price going back in your direction. So when you notice high volatility indicated by the rising ATR value, you may want to ensure that you either stay out of the market or you adjust your stops, ensuring that your stop loss adjustment is still within your risk tolerance. All right, it doesn't mean that you will not shift your stop loss so far away that you end up risking more than you can afford to lose. No, that is not what it means. You have to ensure that you are still within your risk tolerance. Okay, all right. Now, ATR can be applied across various trading styles, from day trading to swing trading. Okay, here are some ways to use it. Right, in terms of trend trading, you can use the ATR to confirm strong trends. If ATR is rising alongside price, it's a sign of a strong move. Okay, then with respect to breakout trading, the low ATR value often precede big breakouts, right? So when the ATR starts increasing, a major move may be coming. Okay, so you have to watch out for that. Then when it comes to scalping and day trading, short-term traders use ATR to set realistic profit targets and stops based on market conditions. Now, no matter your trading style, right? ATR helps fine-tune your approach. Okay? But before you start using ATR, let's just quickly go over some common mistakes that traders make. And the first is using ATR as a buy or sell signal. Remember, ATR measures volatility, not market direction. Okay, it should be used alongside other indicators. Secondly, do not ignore market context. Always consider ATR in relation to price action. A high ATR does not always mean a reversal. Okay, it just means increased volatility. And then do not make the mistake of not adjusting for market conditions, because volatility changes over time. Okay, so make sure that you update your strategy based on current ATR levels. All right, avoiding these mistakes will help you use ATR effectively in your trading. So now that you know how to master the ATR indicator, you can start applying it in your trading. Okay, it's an essential tool for managing risk and adapting to market conditions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more expert trading insights. Let me know in the comments, how do you use ATR in your trading? See you in the next video.